Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies using a simple cake mix. This method is incredibly easy and perfect for any occasion. You'll only need 3 main ingredients: 1 standard box of cake mix, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Make sure your eggs and oil are at room temperature to help everything combine smoothly. Let's get baking. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, combine your entire box of cake mix with the 2 large eggs and the 1/2 cup of oil. Start mixing on a low speed to incorporate the dry and wet ingredients without making a mess. Once combined, increase the speed to medium and mix for about 2 minutes until you have a soft, pliable dough. Avoid overmixing to keep your cookies tender. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those delicious cookies. Roll the dough into small 1-inch balls. This size helps ensure even baking. Place these dough balls about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. For best results, chill the formed dough balls in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes before baking. This helps them hold their shape. Finally, it's time to bake your wonderful creations. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the chilled cookie dough balls for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know they are done when the edges are lightly golden and the centers are still soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, get creative with frosting and sprinkles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.